I am saying to you, especially those that are saying you can't go back to church again because God was not there for you. Those that you want to commit suicide because you think Jesus will never help you. Those that are saying, I think I'll never do anything concerning God again. Listen, Mulungu samakonda munthu Onyanyala. Anthu amene mumakonda kunyanyala anu umaona ngati ndiye mukanyanyala Mulungu yasukuka kapena kuti Mulungu yonde basi asiya kupanga za anthu ena chifukwa cha inuyo. Listen, the woman with the issue of blood suffered for 12 years. And in the period of affliction, she never said, I have stopped going to church. She still had faith in the Lord. She spent all her investments seeking for help from physicians, but nothing was working. She did everything, but nothing was working. But each and every day, she had faith to say, the day that I'll meet God, the day that I'll meet Jesus, something big will happen to me. That is why unto this day, when she heard that Jesus was passing, she ran because she wanted to get the healing from Jesus. The touch of this woman unto Jesus made her to be healed, to the point where Jesus said, who has touched me? So today, God is looking at a certain lady, a certain man who is crying unto God. Your cry should touch the robe of Jesus. Your faith should touch the robe of Jesus. Your fasting should touch the robe of Jesus. Koma ukanyanyala iwedu ukhala choncho. Ukanyanyala ukhala pompo susunthaso. God is looking at the people that are persistent with faith. The people that are looking only unto Jesus, because God is ready to do it for you. So I am praying for you now. Kwa wina aliyense amene ndi onyanyala, wina aliyense amene akona ngati akasiya kupita ku charity zake ziyenda, wina aliyense amene akona ngati akasiya kupanga za Yesu yosapangira so anthu ena. May God touch you today in the mighty name of Jesus.